Hello guys, good morning. Morning. See, nagpaluto siya ng French fries. French fries daw yung almusal niya guys. It's hot. Why hot?
It's for the fire.
Yan ang ano namin, baby AJ. Yan, it's Sunday time guys, kaya dito lang sa house, walang yummy.
Yes.
Yummy. Sarap. Ha?
Sawak.
Ang sarap. Say to the people, say to the people. Make it loud.
Pa tayo.
Ha? French fries tayo guys. Almusal din tayo guys ng kopi pandesal with egg. Coffee tayo guys. Nanonood tayo ng sa kanya French fries, talagang nagpaluto siya guys. Yung mga miming namin, Mingkay. Bakit Mingay? Tapin to Mingay. Buntis na naman si Mingay.
Si buntis.
Si buntis?
Yes.
Why si buntis?
Buntis and buntis. Buntis.
Yummy the French fries.
Yummy.
Who cook the French fries?
Daddy.
Daddy. What did you say, Daddy?
Bingo.
What?
Thank you.
What?
Bingo, Daddy.
You're welcome. Guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys.
Bye.
Eat daw guys ang French fries guys. Sabi ni AJ. Yun lang naman ang paborito niya. Jollibee at saka sa McDo. Kaya hindi kami ngayon lalabas. Mag French fries na siya. Hindi cook. So morning pa. Maaga pa mag-cook ka.
Cook. I need cook. I need cook.
Later na yung cook. You drink milk first.
Why?
It's not good for the it's morning. Morning, you drink milk. Understand? Understand. After you eating, what you doing? You write your name later, ha?
Why?
Because you go to school na. You want to practice, you write your name. So that your teacher, if asking your teacher, did you know how to write?
Why?
Yes. Punas dito. Diyan ka magpunas. Huwag dun sa bag. Good. Takaw yan siya guys sa sa French fries. You invite to the viewers. Say hi to the viewers. Eat tayo ng fries.
Why?
You speak properly. Sabihin mo, hi guys. Eat tayo ng french fries.
So yummy.
So yummy. Pina tayo guys. Sige na, bye-bye na. Say thank you for watching guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye na.